Mic garage door opener Wi-Fi setup not working. 1. Download the Mic app. Install the Mic app on your smartphone from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play, Android. 2. Create or sign into your account. Open the app, sign in or create an account if you don't have one. 3. Connect your device. In the app, select Add Device or Add Opener and choose Garage Door Opener. 4. Enable Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone to make the setup easier and faster. 5. Power on your opener. If it's not already, plug in and power up the mic opener. Six. Press the Wi-Fi button on the opener. Look for the Wi-Fi setup button on your mic device and press it, usually until a blue or flashing light appears. 7. Select your Wi-Fi network in the app. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list that appears and enter the password. 8. Confirm connection. Wait for the device to connect. The app should show a success message once connected.